Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited today and I'm also so sick. I don't know if you can tell, my voice is like a little bit kind of raspy and I'm super congested. I have been getting like 3 hours of sleep for the past few days because I keep waking up and I'm coughing. But I really wanted to film this. Sorry, I just got home from work, but on my way home from work, I got a call from Louis Vuitton because there was a piece that I had been on the wait list for over a month, and I got a call saying it was in, and then I also got a notification that my matches fashion order that I had placed, I think last week sometime, was available for pickup. So I am a happy girl right now. Just sick. So I'm gonna do 2 separate videos on those items, and I'm gonna show you the one I got from Louis Vuitton. In this one, I am so excited. You have no idea for this piece. I first saw this piece in an unboxing that Lee Devine did. I'll link it down below, and when I saw it, I was like, I need this piece, and I got in touch with my SA like crazy quick, and she told me that there was 0 in Canada when I had called, and that if I wanted to be put on the wait list, I'd be the 5th person in line for this. So I was like, okay, do it. If I get it, I get it, and if I don't, whatever. But after about a month, I was like, okay, I'm pretty sure it's not coming in, so I'm gonna forget about it. But it's here, and I am so excited. So without further ado, let me just show you what's in here because I'm just really, really excited for this. Okay, so it is from the men's collection, and it is a limited edition. It's from the Tigerama collection, so maybe that will give you kind of an idea what it could be. I always hate ruining these bows. Is anyone else the same as me? So I always try and take it off without ruining the beautiful wrapping that they do. There we go. So, there we go. It is... Bam! Look at how bright that is. This is the Louis Vuitton, well obviously it's Louis Vuitton, come on Lauren, but it's the Tigerama coin card case, and it's, like I said, from the men's side. They came out with a bunch of like cool colors. So this specific piece here came in cobalt blue in Canada, and it also came in like the black kind of charcoal color, and they also had like the pocket organizer and some bags and like the really bright fun colors. So I am super excited. So this is it right here. I haven't really looked at it up close and personal. I just picked it up. So this side here has 1, 2, 3 card slots, and then another one right here, and then the back has this flap. And if you are familiar with my videos, then you guys know I once had the Saint Laurent, what was it called? The Fragment card case, and it's very, very similar to this. This one is like a little bit bigger, I believe. It's 5.5 kind of across, where I believe the Saint Laurent was only 5 inches. But the key difference is that this one opens up significantly. The Saint Laurent one, oh, here we go. Here's the SKU in case you want to see it. That is the actual SKU. If you are interested in this, and you can sort of contact your SA and see if you can get your hands on one of these. And then this is just what it says. It's coated fabric with cowhide leather trim and interior lining, which is sort of the same with kind of all the coated canvas pieces that you get. So it opens up quite significantly, like you can see. So you can actually get in there and put like coins or sort of dig around and find things. Where I found the Saint Laurent one that I had, you just couldn't do that. It was just like you would scratch your hands kind of going in there if you attempted that. And it also has the silver hardware, which I really like. I feel like all the men's collection, or I think primarily the men's collection, has silver hardware, but I really like that just because it won't sort of chip off like the gold. Here I have like my pochette, so the gold hardware kind of chips off after some time, whereas I feel like with the silver you don't need to worry about that. But I am very excited for this. I just wanted it because I love the whole neon trend that's going on right now, and I thought like a small little SLG like this, I can get away with that neon and not really have to worry about being so in your face. I think this actual color is called jaune, like Jaune. It's French. I took French, but my pronunciation's so bad, but that means yellow in French, so it's just like this bright yellow. I love it. I didn't even test and see if I could fit like any money and stuff in it when I got it. I'm gonna go get some cash and I'm gonna see sort of what fits in here, because the video that Dee showed didn't show sort of what fits inside, and I wanna show you what fits inside this in case you wanna get your hands on this right here. I just threw in some cards right there, so I have 4 cards in that part there, and then I grabbed some money as well. So let's see if that fits in the back. Okay, well, it obviously doesn't quite fit in the back. It's a little bit too large. Damn. I was hoping, because I don't like folding my bills. I always find in every wallet I have to fold bills, and I don't really like it. But if you fold it, you can just fold it once, and then the money fits in there. And then this part here, you can throw a bunch of other stuff. So I'm gonna throw some coins in there like this, and voila. Price of it in Canada is $380, and then you include your taxes and everything like that. So I am so excited to use this piece. I just think it's fun and it's so bright and it makes you happy. And I think it's gonna be fairly useful and versatile. If you can get your hands on this, definitely try to. I know that they have this piece in just sort of like the regular, I think it's like the damier graphite or whatever it's called in the men's side, but it's always nice when they kind of come out with fun colors like this. But let me know your thoughts on this, if you like it, if you hate it, I don't know. I love it and I can't wait to use it. So I'm hopping back on here really quick. I'm so sad. I finished filming that whole video, just like raving about this card case, and then I took a closer look at it. And there's some things that are just, I can't deal with it. So I think I'm gonna have to insert a couple of separate clips, but there's like some part of the canvas that's pulling there. The stitching is like a little bit off on this side. And then there's like a little mark over here too, where I think like the bottom part is showing from underneath the canvas. The front of this case is perfect, like the stitching is really nice, but then when you flip it over and look at this side, so the first, there's something down here, you can see there's like almost a scratch in the canvas, and you can see the black coming through there. And the stitching is fine, it's fine, it's fine, until you get up to the top corner here, and then you can see it's just pulling on the canvas. But then when you move over to this side, this is where I feel like it's really done poorly. So the canvas is being pulled up right there. I don't know if you can see it as well. Maybe I do have to hold it up. See, the canvas is being pulled up literally on this side, and then the stitch right above it. So these 2 stitches there, it's just pulling on the canvas. So I just messaged my SA, and actually I messaged my friend Antonia, who you might know, I've mentioned her before. Her channel is Hello Harley. And I was like sending her pictures, and I was like, oh, what do you think about this? And she's like, no, unacceptable, return it. So I messaged my SA, and she wasn't actually there when I picked this up today, but she also said, she's like, you know what, I wouldn't be happy with that either. Like, I can see if I can order another piece or just return it. So I think I'm gonna have to return this piece. I'm so, like, I'm crushed right now because I was so excited to use it, but man, that sucks. Like, I've heard about the quality issues. I think I jinxed myself, because in the last video I said I haven't had any quality issues with Louis Vuitton, and then now I do. What did I do to myself? But I'm gonna show you like the issues with it up close, but I'm gonna have to return this, so I am so sad.